Hey everyone, so my Vizio P-Series began having a rather interesting issue recently, and I wanted to document it with this video because it appears to be somewhat uncommon. And at the same time, I wanted to share my experience with Vizio's replacement process. So to give you guys some context, I've had this TV for 10 months before this issue popped out of nowhere. So it was working extremely well with no real big complaints. So when I ran into this issue, my first reaction was to research the internet for information. And surprisingly, there wasn't very much information about it. I also had one comment about it in one of my videos, but at the time I wasn't aware of such an issue. So from my anecdotal research, this doesn't seem to be a widespread issue. However, I wanted to put a video out there for those that may encounter this in the future. So basically the issue has to do with the full array local dimming. It's basically what helps improve contrast and makes the blacks deeper. And part of the array seems to be failing, causing it to dim one area randomly. And this is what it looks like. And it happens completely randomly. At times, it completely stops, and other times it returns consistently. This issue can be eliminated completely by turning off full array local dimming in the settings, but that eliminates one of the crucial features this TV has to offer. So for that reason, I needed to get this repaired immediately. And at the same time, it gave me an opportunity to document the repair and replacement process. So I contacted Vizio via chat. Ultimately, I decided not to call them because whenever chat is an option, I will always prefer it rather than calling someone. So they provided some potential solutions that I should try, and they seemed to make the issue go away, at least for a while. And they told me that if the issues return, to fill out a replacement request. And here's that replacement request right here. Pause it if you need to read it. So basically, I contacted Vizio on May 13, 2019 with the issue, and they provided some immediate solutions and replacement options with proof of purchase. I later submitted replacement paperwork on May 20th, 2019, along with pictures of the issue. I waited 7 days before submitting because I was rather busy, but I could have done this sooner. The scheduled replacement, home delivery, occurred on May 31st, 2019. Overall, the experience has been positive. One of the first things that I do when filling out any claim for warranty is understand the rules and what is covered and what isn't. It appears that smaller TV sets have to be shipped to them, which sounds horrible. But thankfully, my set is big enough where that won't be necessary. And the unit replacement must be inspected for physical damage before accepting, or else you're liable. And the new unit appears to be flawless and appears to be relatively new. The unit came in a different box with no visual graphics for whatever reason, but I really don't care about that. All I care about is the physical condition of the unit, and everything looks basically new. The replacement unit doesn't look like a refurbished model or an open box, and appears to be new. Although it is important to point out that the product replacement form states the following. This is a television that has left our warehouse new, but was returned for whatever reason. This television goes through a strict recertification process and was held as a replacement unit for instances like this. It is a like new set in all aspects. However, we cannot sell it as new any longer. So that could mean many things, but at least from my experience, the TV looks and feels new, so no complaints. I created this video to help out those that may run into this problem, as it appears to be affecting a relatively small number of people. And despite this, I still really like Vizio. In the past, I've had one Samsung TV fell on me, and fortunately the warranty quickly kicked in and I had the unit repaired, and it hasn't fell on me since. And before this Vizio P-Series, I was using a Vizio M-Series, which I've had since 2013, and I've had zero problems with it. In conclusion, regardless of the quality of any hardware, all tech can fail at any point. And it's good to know that replacements and repairs can happen in a reasonable amount of time. My experience has been positive, and the replacement is working well. The full array is working like it was before, and as of now, I still have 2 months left on my warranty. Basically, you get 90 days or whatever is left on your current warranty, whichever is greater. And in my case, the 90 days is greater, so I have 3 months of coverage with this new P-Series. So I'm hopeful that this won't happen again. And honestly, I don't think it will. Sometimes faulty hardware happens. If it does happen again, then I will create a follow-up video. But as of now, I'm planning on purchasing another TV from them soon, as I need another TV for our guest room. So if you're thinking about purchasing a P-Series, don't let this discourage you. If anything, it shows that the company is willing to replace the unit without hesitation. Despite running into this defect, my stance on Vizio products hasn't changed. They make affordable TVs with high-end features, and I will continue to recommend them because of how well and efficiently they handled this issue. In any case, Vizio still provides some of the best performing TVs for the money. So please check out my Vizio P-Series full review, as the TV is just that good. And the new 2019 model looks even better. And Vizio is really gearing up and creating some really high-end TVs. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.